Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at this website together called MetroOpinion. So what is the work of this website? So this website lets you earn money by completing a survey guys, and you can earn up to $5 per survey on MetroOpinion, and you can do countless of surveys a day guys, so which means you can earn up to $100 in a day, depend on your capacity guys. So now let us explore it together. So as you can see here, yes, it paid surveys, earn money online, work from home. You can see I get up to $5 for each survey. So that's just how it works guys. So you can see how to earn with paid surveys in 3 steps. Sign up. Everyone can join. It is easy to sign up and it only takes 30 seconds. So before you sign up, I just want to let you to know something guys, that you can just sign up with only your email guys. But let me tell you something, if you are from first world country guys, like you are from United States, Canada, UK, Germany and the likes guys, you will literally earn more, which means you can earn up to like $10, $20 per survey, and you will be given more survey to fill. So but if you are in like third world country or any African country guys, you will earn way less guys, because all these people that pay MetroOpinion like to survey their website or anything guys, most of all these companies based in Europe, so they need European people. But Africa can also join guys, but you just earn way less compared to European people. So that's just how it works. So as you can see here, yes, is answer. You will be invited to surveys via email. Answer honestly. Your answer are anonymous, which is absolutely correct guys. So it's not that when you answer them like it will not show your name or anything guys. No, it is anonymous guys, because what you are doing is not live yet guys. What you just need is just a test. So what you are doing is a test to share your opinion about the features these companies want to add it to their company guys. So that's just how it works. So as you can see here, get paid. When you reach the payment threshold, you can get paid with one click. So that's just how it works guys. So it is just easy to sign up. You can see I just click on sign up right here, and then you will sign up with your information. As you can see here, email, password and all. Then you click on register. So it is that easy guys. So when you click on register, they will send you some informations and everything guys. So you'll have to fill in your ID card and all, so your XSN, everything guys. You fill everything correctly, and when you fill everything correctly, it will take them days to review your information. So sometimes it might take like 48 to 72 hours, but don't worry guys, because you will literally get accepted. So when you get accepted, what you just need to do is wait for emails to start coming in, and when you start seeing email guys, you will start earning on MetroOpinion. That's just how easy it is. And if you have more questions guys, you can go to their blog section and read blog about it guys. And that's just all guys. So if you have any more questions, drop it in the comment section below. So that'll be all for our video. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe guys, and thank you for watching. See you next time.